I feel so overwhelmed. I love these kids so much. I will do anything to help them. We have so many needs at our school, and we've just, with all of the difficulties in the society and community, we've just worked around problems and made things happen for kids when we need to.
$10,000 for you to use in this school to do incredible things. Do you think that she might be able to help you have some great time?
I'm just so grateful for counselors like Mrs. Harrison that make our students successful in this district, that are able to support and know and understand the needs of our students so that we can educate them better and be a better school and a better district.
I appreciate when people will take the time and look at what we are doing with what we have and making the best of all of it.